Hey everyone. Imagine looking in the mirror and no longer seeing the painful reminder of what you've been through. A scar that once made you cover up every day now blends so naturally you barely notice it. Or finishing breast reconstruction and finally feeling whole again with a realistic nipple and areola that looks completely natural. These aren't just tattoos. They're quiet transformations that help people reclaim their bodies and their confidence. Today we're exploring the powerful world of medical and cosmetic tattooing, also known as paramedical tattooing. This is the side of the industry that goes far beyond fashion or self-expression. It's about healing, restoration, and giving people back something they thought was lost forever. Whether you're someone considering these treatments or a tattoo artist looking to expand your craft, stick around because there's a lot here you probably haven't heard before. Let's start with one of the most emotional areas: areola and nipple restoration after breast surgery. For many women who've been through mastectomy and reconstruction, getting this shape back is only part of the journey. The absence of a natural-looking nipple and areola can still make them feel incomplete. A skilled artist uses shading, highlights, and precise color matching to create a three-dimensional illusion that looks incredibly real. The psychological impact is profound. Many describe it as the final piece that lets them close that chapter and move forward with confidence. Here's something a lot of people don't realize. This procedure is often covered, at least partially, by insurance when it's part of post-mastectomy reconstruction. It's recognized as a legitimate part of the healing process, not just a cosmetic add-on. Another game-changing application is scar camouflage. Whether the scars come from surgery, accidents, burns, or other trauma, they can affect how we see ourselves long after the physical wound has healed. Paramedical artists use specially matched pigments to blend those scars into the surrounding skin tone, making them far less visible. It's not about erasing the story. It's about softening its visual impact so people can stop hiding and start living more freely. I've heard countless stories of clients who hadn't worn shorts or short sleeves in years suddenly feeling comfortable in their own skin again. Then there's vitiligo and other forms of pigment loss. For those living with these conditions, daily makeup can become exhausting. Medical tattooing offers a longer-lasting solution by carefully matching and implanting pigment into stable areas, helping restore a more even skin tone for years at a time. The confidence boost is hard to overstate. There are many other applications too, softening the appearance of stretch marks, scalp micropigmentation for hair loss, even restoring the appearance of fingernails after injury. Each one combines technical skill with deep empathy. Now, for the artists watching this, paramedical work stands out because it tends to be higher value, draws referrals from medical professionals, and creates incredibly loyal clients. People don't forget the artist who helped them feel like themselves again. The key is proper specialized training, understanding how different types of scar tissue heal, mastering color theory across all skin tones, and following strict medical hygiene protocols. It's challenging, but for many artists it becomes the most rewarding part of their career. If you're someone thinking about getting this kind of work done, here's the most important advice: choose your artist carefully. Look for someone with specific training and experience in paramedical techniques, not just general tattooing. Ask to see healed results on similar cases to yours. Results depend on your skin type, how old the scar is, and the artist's skill level. Having realistic expectations leads to the best outcomes. One fascinating thing about these tattoos is that they're often designed to be long-lasting but not completely permanent. The gentle fading over time actually allows for adjustments as your skin naturally changes with age, which can be smarter than fully permanent pigment in medical applications. At its core, this work reminds us that tattoos can be so much more than decoration. They can be a form of medicine for the spirit, restoring identity, dignity, and self-image in ways that words alone can't touch. That's why platforms like Alice Tattoos are building directories and tools to help connect people who need these specialized services with talented artists who offer them. It makes it easier for clients to find the right match and for artists to grow in this meaningful niche. If this video opened your eyes to new possibilities, drop a comment below. Have you or someone you know experienced medical tattooing? Was it for scars, areola restoration, vitiligo, or something else? Or if you're an artist, are you considering adding these services? I read every comment and love hearing your stories. If you got real value from this and want more deep dives into the tattoo world, the business side, client experiences, techniques, and opportunities most people miss, make sure to like the video, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss what's coming next. Thanks so much for watching. I'm Washington's Avatar, and I'll see you in the next one. This is the science of the mark. Respect the physics, respect the history, respect the craft. Subscribe if you want to know how the game actually works. Peace.